Understanding the phrase, set out notice in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a unique phrase in the English language, set out notice. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it correctly in your conversations. The phrase, set out notice, is not a common idiomatic expression, but rather a combination of two different parts, set out and notice. Let's look at each part separately. Set out. This is a phrasal verb that can mean to start a journey or to begin an activity with a specific aim. Notice. This is a noun that refers to an announcement or an alert given to someone. When combined, set out notice could be interpreted as an announcement or alert about the start of a journey or activity. To understand better, let's see some examples. 1. Corporate context. The company issued a set-out notice for the commencement of the new project. Here, it means the company announced the beginning of a new project. 2. Travel scenario. Travelers received a set-out notice for their upcoming expedition. This implies that travelers were informed about the start of their journey. Do not confuse set out notice with common phrases like set out to, which means to intend or plan to do something. Remember that set out notice is not a standard phrase and might not be immediately understood in everyday conversation. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of set out notice. It's always exciting to explore the nuances of the English language. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.